Stuck with a Ford F-150 that won't start? Let's dive into the common culprits. First, open the hood and look at the battery terminals. Are they corroded or loose? Clean and tighten them. If the battery is old, consider a replacement. Next, listen for a clicking sound when you turn the key. No click? The starter might need to be replaced. Then, look at is there gas in the tank? If yes, check the fuel pump and fuel filter. A clogged filter can stop the engine from starting. Don't forget check the spark plugs and ignition coil. Worn spark plugs or a faulty coil can prevent starting. Lastly, examine the end. Find the fuse box and look for any blown fuses. Replace any that are damaged. Still having trouble? It might be time to call a professional mechanic. Sometimes the issue requires expert help. So, recap for a Ford F-150 that won't start. Check the battery, the starter, the fuel system, the ignition system, and the fuses. Simple steps can often save you a lot of hassle. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your ride running smoothly. Thanks for watching.